Hello, Dr. Ray.
Hi,
Alrighty, other than adjusting patients and doing IQ, what are you doing right now?
I am doing something called Guasha. There's a
Alright.
similar technique called Grafton, which is Guasha is more of a Chinese medicine uh, term technique. Grafton is the Western version. But basically, I take a tool and I find muscles that have adhesions in them. And I come in and I start scraping out those adhesions. When you see these little red spots, that's where the adhesions are breaking up. And this is really important because when you have muscles that are tight and inflamed for a long time, these adhesions build up and it makes it really hard for those muscles to ever actually relax. Kind of like when you go get a massage for an hour, feel great, and then the next day it feels just as tight. It's because there's adhesions that need to be broken up. So when we're working on the spine and we want the spine to improve, we have to make sure that we work on these muscles, because if these muscles just continue to be tight forever, they're going to keep pulling the spine out of alignment. We don't want that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm breaking up some adhesions so we can work on the spine and make everything feel better.
So I work in hand to hand with the chiropractic adjustment.
Yeah, definitely. Anybody that's getting guasha is getting adjusted as well. So the guasha really supports the adjustment and helps us make a long-lasting change.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks.